here today to talk to you about some maintenance tips on the Supervac Gale Force. Let's talk daily maintenance tips. First, you will need to check your head flaps to make sure they're sealing and there's no cuts or tears in it. By cleaning your water filter daily, minimizes any clog ups on your spray nozzles. Another daily maintenance tip is to clean your hopper screen. Failure to do this will have lost performance on the unit. Another daily maintenance tip is to check on your intake and fan seals. But before doing that, you will need to raise the hopper up, then go to the rear of the unit to the toolbox and get these safety chocks out. Both safety chocks will need to be in place before performing this task. When inspecting both seals, fan and intake, we're checking to make sure that they're not dry, don't have any cuts or tears in them. Another daily check on the Supervac Gale Force is to make sure that the hydraulic oil is halfway full. Another maintenance tip on your gutter broom is when you wear the broom out, the spring will get loose. This will need to be tightened up using on this eye bolt, usually when you start wearing the gutter broom out. Another weekly maintenance tip is to grease your hopper pivot points, which is located at the rear of the unit. Also on the side of the unit, we have the leaf bleeder door, which contains 2 grease zerks that will need to be lubricated. Another weekly maintenance tip on the gutter broom is to grease the U-joint, which is located right in the middle. On to the monthly maintenance tip, we have your fan shaft and stub shaft bearings, which is located right above the gutter broom, which will need to be greased every 250 hours of use. Failure to do this will cause harms to the bearings. When greasing the fan shaft and stub shaft bearings, usually takes 2 ounces of grease, which is equivalent to 2 to 3 pumps on a grease gun. Another maintenance tip every 250 hours of use is to service your auxiliary engine, changing the engine oil, air filter, and oil filter. Another useful tool we have on the Supervac Gale Force is the leaf bleeder door. As you can see right now, the door is closed, which allows maximum downforce of blowing across the head and getting the material over to the suction side. As you can see, the leaf bleeder door is now open, diverting the air, making the head suck more for lighter material. When the leaf bleeder door is closed, you can actually blow heavier material across the head to get sucked up. Please refer back to the maintenance section in the manual for more information.